This is GTA 4 with ultra realistic graphics. Today I'll show you how to install graphics mods easily and transform the game completely. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and select the download option and select start download. Once this download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close stuff here and open the CNB series folder. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your GTA 4 game folder. Just copy and paste it in this same location. Once you take the GTA 4 game folder backup, open the game folder and drag and drop all these files inside. Replace the file in the destination and then just close off here and launch the game. I will show you before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.